Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I made. This journal is using a kit from ARTYmaze and it's called Radiant Poppy, and I will put a link below, so go on over and check it out. It's a really vibrant journal kit. So I've done a hardcover. It has 3 signatures. There is hang on a sec, it's 8 1/4 this way, 5 3/4 that way, and 2.5 inch spine with 3 signatures and 192 pages front and back. I've done some glossy accenting here on the cover page that I chose to use, and it has got some of this stuff sprinkled over it. Can you see that? It's called Glamour Dust. Haven't used that in ages. One of the images from the kit I used on the front, and it's just been sewn here, and some cheesecloth. We've got eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure, and that is the journal. So it's quite chunky, so let me do a quick flip through. The papers are so pretty. So in here, this is a page from the kit, and I just printed it out and like a few extra ones and made some pockets. There's an index card, some ephemera, a tag and a journaling card, and it says she always had to stop for roadside poppies, and that's what's on the back as well, and they've been glossy accented too. So I've just had a sneezing fit, and it's kind of left me a bit choked up. Doily paper bag, some crocheted trim and a bead dangle, if you can see that. I'm not sure if, oh, it's quite a big journal. So it's taken up most of my screen. So we've got a pocket here, tag and a journaling card from the kit. Pockets are from the kit as well. Here we've just got some ephemera tucked in there. Done some light stamping on some of the pages, but not all of them. I think the paper is a mixture of tea and coffee dyed paper. Some ephemera. The tag here is from the kit. Notebook page, Edith Holden. Some digital music paper. Some lined paper, centre of the signature. We have an envelope here, and inside the envelope is a double journaling card from the kit. And that goes on there, and there's a piece of ephemera just tucked in there. We have another journaling card there in a pocket. Fabric tab. Here I've just done a top tuck. We have a tag from the kit and some ephemera and a journaling card that I made. Oh, it doesn't want to go in. There we go. Here I've just done a side pocket with a large index card and some ephemera and a journaling card from the kit. Some more crocheted trim with a bead dangle. Pocket here with the journaling card and the tag. Just another piece of ephemera just tucked in there. Some more ephemera and journaling, a tag from the kit. This is just paper clipped on. It's just some random ephemera. Another pocket here with a tag and a journaling card from the kit. Excuse me. fabric tab, some edge punching, paper bag doily, another side pocket there, large journaling card, some ephemera and a journaling card from the kit. There's a piece of ephemera in here. Get in. A large index card, journaling card from the kit, and a Tiffany & Co tag. A bead dangle. That's the paper that I used to printed out extra and made some pockets with. Another piece of ephemera just tucked in there. Some more ephemera and a journaling card there. Another envelope here. This has just a single journaling card inside. And this piece of ephemera is just tucked in there. We have a tag and a journaling card. Another fabric tab, paper bag doily, and a pocket here with a journaling card, some ephemera, tag from the kit, a handmade tag, and a little envelope which has a little journaling card inside, which is the same image there. So that all tucks in there like that, and that is the back. So that is a journal. Like I said, it's from ARTYmaze, and it's a very lovely, vibrant kit. Go and check it out. This will be listed in my shop. The link will be below, and there's also a 20% discount code underneath as well, so take the opportunity to use that if you wish. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.